So I'm taking off a little later today to CES. I'm super excited, but I did have a little snafu with my Wandered bag. The zipper here completely broke. It was initially broken on one side, but now it's completely broken. But luckily, Wandered has a lifetime warranty. So I got the new Provoke, the upgraded one, where they have some slight little upgrades. The color is actually a little bit darker as well. But I wanted to kind of walk you guys through, for anyone who's curious, of what I'm packing in my bag. And so we will kind of go through that, and I'll show you all the tech gear I have. So I have the photography tech cube, and so I'm basically just gonna transplant it. But in here I have a variable neutral density filter for my camera, the M50 Mark II that I'm shooting on right now. And then I have a 22mm lens that is f2.0. This is a JC Robot gimbal that has a little light attachment here. And I've done a video on this, but this is a nice little standalone tripod, or good for like some B-roll shots. Got a little tripod here. And then a Targus Bluetooth keyboard for my Supernote or ViewWoods. And on this side of the camera cube, that's where my camera goes. And this is the easy access to the side of the Wandered bag here. All right, so now we have the camera cube in. The last thing for the camera cube here is this Hollyland Lark microphone. I'm wearing one right here, but 2 receivers, has a USB-C and a 3.5 for the camera. So that goes in this little bag, and that will go in here as well. Then I'm bringing the 2024 Yoga 9 Pro. This has a 4060 and 16-inch laptop, but it is a workhorse. Does this not fit? Oh my God. Wow, it barely fits. Damn. All right, this is gonna have to stretch out a little. That's a little bit of an oversight from version to version. But of course, have to have some e-ink tablets. So I'm bringing the ViewWoods AA paper and the Supernote Manta. These are e-ink writers, note takers, and obviously can't travel without one of these. So I will put that in the sleeve here. And it seems rather tight here, so I think I'll put the pencil in the little sleeve here. And the Manta I'll put in my luggage. So we'll close the back section now. This is at least what I'm traveling with. I might bring a smaller little backpack just to have a lighter load during the actual show, because there's gonna be a lot of walking. And then I'll probably bring the Wandered tech pouch, which I have some chargers, a mouse, headphones, Sharpie, kind of just the essentials in here. And then I have my trusty old Joby GorillaPod. So it'll be great if I need to do any interviews on my own. I should have a cameraman, but for the 2 days of the end of the show, I won't. So this might be useful. And then of course, the Elgato mini light is great. You control the color temperature and everything, which is good for on-the-go lighting. And then this I just got, but it is the iFlyTech Smart Recorder. And this is cool. I'm gonna use this as my backup kind of product for audio. It does transcription real time off the cloud. So I should be able to like have it on me at some point when I'm doing interviews, and hopefully it'll transcribe those and be a backup audio source in case anything gets messed up with the audio. But I'll do a review on this at some point. And I'll link everything that I'm talking about in the description if you're interested in these items. And then I have a handy battery bank that has Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C, and a large USB-C cable here. Some cards, always good to have. And then these I have are interview mic, so I can clip the Hollyland mics to these. We'll see how much we end up using these, but just wanted to bring them. And then of course the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. I've done a couple videos on this, but this should be pretty useful if I try to do anything live on Instagram, or if I just need a quick shot and I have my hands full. And then the last couple things are the Pocketbook Versacolor 3 for the plane and whatnot. And then this newer slider with an Elgato attachment for any kind of dynamic shots I might want. This little adjustable laptop stand for my e-ink note taker or my laptop. And then finally, my A cam will be the Osmo Pocket 3. The M50 will probably be my B cam. And this is just good because it can use the wireless microphone system, and it has active track, which is nice if I need to do any solo filming. Hopefully I will put out some videos in the next week or two about my kind of experience there and some of the coolest tech I see. So hope you can tag along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at CES.